Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you change your system sound on your Mac. Now, what do I mean by system sound? Well, let me just find a way to show you. So let's say I click on settings and then I want to, for example, come to here and rename this here. If I go to rename it, if you listen to the sound it makes, it's doing that because I've not clicked on it, and then if I click on it I can actually do it. That sound can be changed and it's really easy to do. So what we're going to do, you're going to come to settings. Let me just close that. You can come to settings by clicking system settings down here. If you do not have it down here for some reason, click command spacebar at the same time and search settings in here. So if you click on, that's the wrong app, sorry. If you click on settings and then you scroll down to where it says sound, it then says alert sound. It then gives you a change of volume and a few other settings. Now, it's nice, Apple's been nice enough to let you actually hear it without having to change it. So this is what it sounds like, as you know. But when I click on this, I can change it. And I like the second one, so I'm going to change it to that. It's much more peaceful than that. Was it a boop sound? Yeah, much more peaceful than the other one. Once you've done it, nothing more you need to do. Just click off it and it's now changed. So it's as simple as that, and I hope that helped.